Good afternoon, everyone. We're here at the junkyard today, and as you can see, somebody junked the old Chevy box van. It don't look too bad, a little rough, but it could definitely be saved. That's sad. Somebody junked something that was once built very well, and as you can tell, the tires don't look that bad at all. And that's an old 1-ton van, I think. Looks like it's been sitting in the woods for a little while. Oh well. That Toyota's completely destroyed. It's not even worth saving. That's just sad. If you guys have an old vehicle, save it. Put it back on the road. Don't junk it. That don't look too good. That could definitely be fixed though. Windshield's intact. Still has the motor in it. I guess other than a few, little bit of rust and some dings and dents, not too much to worry about. It may need a little tune-up and a little TLC. Oh, windshield is cracked. Not worth saving that windshield. It could definitely be fixed. But who wants to fix it? Not really anybody. I would though if I owned it. Get the pressure washer, clean it up. Front tires really don't look that bad. Makes you wonder.